Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in beauty and personal care products. Today, we're shining the spotlight on a top-rated gem, the R+Co Dallas Biotin Thickening Conditioner. This conditioner promises not only to nourish your hair but also to enhance its shine and volume, making it a must-have for anyone looking to revitalize their locks. R+Co Company is renowned for its premium hair care line, and the Dallas Biotin Thickening Conditioner stands out as a fan favorite. This product is designed specifically for those with fine or thin hair, aiming to provide weightless hydration while strengthening and enhancing shine. Packed with biotin, a vital nutrient known for its hair-strengthening properties, this conditioner aims to give your hair the vitality it craves. With its vegan and cruelty-free formulation, it aligns with a modern ethos of responsible beauty, ensuring that you're treating your hair and the environment with care. Dallas Biotin Thickening Conditioner, a standout choice? First, let's talk about hydration. This conditioner is formulated to provide weightless hydration that won't weigh your hair down. If you've ever dealt with conditioners that leave your hair feeling greasy or heavy, you'll appreciate how this product feels light yet effective. Another significant benefit is its ability to strengthen hair. With biotin as a primary ingredient, this conditioner aims to nourish your hair from the inside out, promoting healthier growth and reducing breakage. If you've experienced hair thinning or damage from styling, incorporating this conditioner into your routine could be a game changer. Finally, let's discuss the shine factor. The Dallas Biotin Thickening Conditioner not only conditions but also enhances your hair's natural luster, leaving it looking vibrant and healthy. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion or just want to feel good every day, this product helps achieve that salon-fresh look at home. Now that you know what this product offers, let's talk about how to use it effectively. After cleansing your hair with a suitable shampoo, apply the Dallas Biotin Thickening Conditioner from the mid-length of your hair down to the ends. This technique ensures that your hair receives the hydration it needs without over-conditioning the roots, which can lead to greasiness. Massage the conditioner gently into your hair, allowing it to sit for a few minutes to maximize its benefits. Rinse thoroughly, and you'll notice your hair feeling softer, fuller, and ready to style. For optimal results, pair this conditioner with R+Co's Dallas Thickening Shampoo, which is designed to complement the conditioner and enhance its thickening effects. The R+Co Dallas Biotin Thickening Conditioner is a fantastic addition to any hair care regimen, particularly for those with fine or thinning hair. With its commitment to quality ingredients and effective results, it stands out in a crowded market of hair care products. The combination of hydration, strength, and shine enhancement is what sets this conditioner apart. Many users have reported significant improvements in their hair's texture and volume after consistent use, making this product worth considering if you're seeking a reliable thickening conditioner. In conclusion, if you're looking for a conditioner that not only nourishes but also revitalizes your hair, the R+Co Dallas Biotin Thickening Conditioner might just be your best bet. Its impressive formulation caters specifically to the needs of fine hair, offering benefits that go beyond simple conditioning. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique today. If you've enjoyed this review, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product insights. Dallas Conditioner? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay beautiful.